So now moving on to page 13, we're going to investigate the centre of mass further with the theory of that. So the definition is what you need to learn here, and it is that the centre of the mass of an object is the point about which the mass of an object acts. Okay, now you need to learn this definition. You're often asked this in your GCSE. So just put a wee note at the top of your page for that. So the centre of mass of an object is the point at which the object actually balances. Okay, so this one is a bit wordy, so you can actually say or. So the centre of mass of an object is the point at which the object balances. So when weight is being used, the term is referred to as the centre of gravity, because weight is an expression of force, which is mass times the force of gravity, and we refer to that as 10 because we're always on Earth. Okay, gravity is measured in meters per second squared. So when we talk about the weight, it's referred to as the centre of gravity, but it is still the point where the object balances. So we say the centre of mass or the centre of gravity. Now, the centre of gravity of an object, again, we're just going to reinforce this definition. There's many ways that you can write it. So it is the point at which the weight of the object acts. So the centre of mass and the centre of gravity can be interchanged. The centre of gravity, when you're referring to as weight, you must say that it's at the weight. Okay, so you could be asked the definition of what is the centre of gravity, in which case you would say the point at which the weight of the object acts. If you were to say that what is the centre of mass, you would say the point about which the mass of the object acts. Okay, so it's just slightly different there. Now, the position of the centre of mass or gravity of an object affects the stability of that object, and this is really what we're concentrating on. So it's all about something being stable. So if we just move down the page just a second. If the centre of mass is closer to the ground, the object will be more stable. An object can be made more stable by two things, okay? So the first thing is that you can lower its centre of gravity. So the object can be made more stable by lowering its centre of gravity. So for instance, a racing car is more stable than a double-decker bus. The second way that you can make an object more stable is by increasing the base area. Okay, a bit like a triangle. Okay, this is the base, and this base is far wider than this bit here. Okay, so that will make the object more stable, and you would see that, you know, in like a rugby going into a ruck or whatever, by lowering the knees, you have lowered the centre of gravity, and therefore you are more stable. Okay, so we'll just zoom in on this just to let you see that a bit clearer. So the base here is much narrower than this base. Okay, so by having a larger base, you lower the centre of gravity. Okay,